Good morning. Okay, so I know you guys have some questions for me, so let's start answering them. We really should be having breakfast together, but let's start with the questions. About my background and how I got started in music. Okay, so I'm obviously mixed with a lot of things, like a mutt. Chinese, West Indian, Cuban, Scottish, and black. Originally from Jamaica. I moved when I was really little. My family decided they wanted to move to Canada. I grew up on dancehall, which I loved dearly. And I used to listen to it while I was at home, and I could hear the music playing in the streets. And I would want to dance, and I'd want to sing. And everybody noticed that I love entertaining. So when I moved to Canada, I started hearing different types of music, and I started falling in love with them too. And I just wanted, I got so hungry for learning. I wanted to do it all. I decided I want to do music. I had a group, Jaw Babies. I was doing shows. Soon after, my brother became a manager, and I won contests. And after that, now I'm a supernova. No, but yeah, that's how I got into music. Everything just sort of fell into place. Um, about my song So Insane and it being on the charts in Canada and what inspired the song. Okay, so the beat was originally made by Iron Ryan, and the song was called So Insane off my first album, Every Step, which I made because everybody's like, can you make an album because you're performing and we're not getting any music. So I was like, okay. So Insane got on the radio and it did really well. It was actually inspired by somebody I was liking at the time, and it's basically describing how I felt because I write about everything, about people around me, my family, everything. Everything inspires me. So I basically took my feelings, which I guess I was telling everybody my business when I wrote the song. So yeah, that's how it was inspired. Somebody I liked and produced by Iron Ryan. Hit the charts. It was an amazing feeling. Okay, my next question. What is the best compliment I've ever gotten about So Insane? And the winner is I got best R&B hip hop single from WRCMA for the year, and I was like, yeah, baby. But it doesn't really count now because I'm currently on SAG, and I'm hoping to do the same thing and elevate even more than that. I want it on every chart all over the world. So hopefully I can do that next year. Best compliment. Okay, that was that one. And okay, so I guess that's enough for now. You guys enjoyed that, and hope we can do this again soon. Take care. God bless. KS, baby. Mwah, mwah.